Yes, it's working. Labor rights. We all gather here, not only to hear the party leader, but we have someone in Area Council too, so special, so dear. He has been leading this Area Council with strength. We have what I consider to be the best area council in the Jamaica Labour Party. And we, in Area Council 2, want to let our chairman know that we thank him for all the many things that he has done as he holds this area council together as one happy, strong family. Now, the chairman of Area Council 2, the member of parliament for Southwestern St. Catherine, he will tell you to put your ex beside the labor right bell. Area Council, we invite MP Clifford Everall Warming.
Thank you. First, I want to recognize some my colleagues out of, not from Area Council 2, are here to support us tonight. My good friend from Southern Trelawney, Marissa Dalrymple Philibert. We have Rhoda May Crawford from Central Manchester. As she left. We have Colonel Charles Jr. from Clarendon South East. And my good friend, Dwight Siblings from Northern Clarendon. I ask for this song that I'm redeemed. Because to hear or to sin is human, but to forgive is divine. All have sinned and come short of the glory of God. A few weeks ago, they said, wine's a maca, and the spirit is raging. I make sure tonight, I never take nothing but timber full of my favorite drink. Make sure. But I tell you something, I might use an adjective, but the white mark golden try to cuss bad word, but cuss bad word not make a Jamaican at all. He's still the descendant of Benjamin Eunice, the largest slave owner in Jamaica before Balta slavery. Can't destroy that. Can't destroy that. Animal Bunting, Finsack, Jamaica. Then go take over what we call proven wealth. They tried to purchase it before. Never have the resources. But yet, Omar Davis, as Minister of Finance, transferred to them for little or nothing. Then what happened last year, June, their offshore holding in Bermuda and the British Virgin Islands collapsed. They want to take over this country, claim they are bankers. They are failed bankers. They are failed bankers. They were given billions of dollars by Omar Davis. In 2019, 2020, they spent billions of dollars to get to Portia and Peter Phillips so they came in charge of the PMP. But now they are in serious financial difficulties. In June 30th, 2024, The last 1.34 million US dollars, bunting and golden. October 2024, the last 1.8 million US dollars. While the profit in 2023 was 4.31 million US dollars. They have to graduate Portia and Peter. In 2019, Arnold Bertram from PMP warned us about bunting and golden, that they are danger to this country and conflict of interest. They want now to control this country. For what? To make back the money lose. But Jamaica not so blind. We not make it happen. We not make it happen. How can we, descendants of the slave, the man who hold black man in chain on a trench town, come back and put chain on us? Not at all. Not at all. They fin sack us. Not no more. We have to be careful. We have to be careful. If you give my golden and bitter bonding, the rain of this country is like giving a child a matches in a grass yard. We now make them bond on this country. And I'm confident that they will never see Jamaica House be in charge of that. Andrew Michael Holness government has proved to this country it has been the best government in the history of this country. We will not turn back the progress. We cannot turn back the progress. We have to continue what we have. I am confident of the third term. I now say the third term is loading. I am saying that Andrew Michael Holness and his government, they have earned the third term. They have earned the third term. Therefore, all I have to say to you, election day, go out and put your ex beside that beautiful bell.
Jump and shout, ladies all along, we shall have the victory.
Put your ex beside that glorious bell. Put your ex beside that God-sent bell. Put your ex beside Bustamante bell. Put your ex because beside Andrew Michael Holness bell. Put your ex beside that beautiful bell. Put your ex beside. Put your ex beside. Put your ex beside. I can't even walk without God hold my hand. Just remember, when the big man called the day, election day, put your ex beside there. Thank you, Labour Rights. Put your ex there.
Yes, Labour Rights. On election day, you put your ex beside the wonderful bell, the beautiful bell, the bell of the Jamaica Labour Party. Let me see the show of fingers wave right across.
Shout, 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 shout.
Because we are a party. We have put in the work. We stand on a record of performance. And we have an amazing party leader in